Welcome to the future. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept in science fiction movies. It's here, and it's changing the way we live and work. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 AI tools that are making waves in 2025. From creative writing to data analysis, these tools are revolutionizing industries and making our lives easier. Section 1. AI Writing Assistants. AI writing assistants are becoming indispensable tools for content creators. These tools can generate everything from blog posts to social media captions, helping you overcome writer's block and produce high-quality content quickly. Imagine having a personal writing assistant that's available 24/7. Section 2. AI-powered design tools. Design has also been transformed by AI. AI design tools can generate unique designs, logos, and illustrations based on your prompts. Whether you're a graphic designer or just someone who wants to create a custom logo, these tools can save you time and effort. Section 3. AI for data analysis. Data is the new oil, and AI is the engine that powers it. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, uncovering patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans to find. This is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and marketing. Section 4. AI-powered virtual assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants are becoming more sophisticated and helpful. They can schedule appointments, answer questions, and even control smart home devices. Imagine having a personal assistant who is always there to help you. Section 5. AI for education. AI is also making a significant impact on education. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide personalized learning experiences for students. This can help close the achievement gap and make education more accessible. Conclusion. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and exciting applications. These top 5 AI tools are just a glimpse of what's to come. Are you ready to embrace the future of AI?